Hello and welcome to the revision video for a series circuit by scienceworksheets.co.uk. We're going to have a look at what a series circuit is and the three rules for a series circuit. A series circuit is a single loop circuit, so that means there are no branches. However, one exception to this rule: sometimes a voltmeter is wired into the circuit, and a voltmeter has to be wired as a parallel component in a circuit, although overall the circuit would still be treated as a series circuit even with the voltmeter wired in parallel. When a cell is connected into a series circuit with two bulbs, the current will flow and both bulbs will light up. However, if one of the bulbs were then to break, this will make the circuit incomplete and both bulbs will go out. So in a series circuit, if one component stops working, then all the components will stop working. In a series circuit, the current will flow from the positive terminal of the cell through the wires around to the negative terminal of the cell. The current is like a river, so the flow is the same at all points in a single loop circuit, so therefore the current is the same in a series circuit regardless of where you measure it. So all three ammeters would read the same current reading. In a series circuit, the potential difference is shared between the components. So if the voltmeter number 1 is measuring a potential difference of 12 volts across the cell, then V2 plus V3 must equal 12 volts. If both bulbs are identical, then V2 and V3 would be 6 volts each. We are now going to use two slightly different bulbs in our circuit. Bulb 1 has got a larger resistance and bulb 2 has got a smaller resistance. So V1 will still be equal to V2 plus V3, but because bulb 1 has got a larger resistance, the potential difference across bulb 1 will be bigger. And bulb 2 will have a smaller resistance, so the potential difference across bulb 2 will be slightly smaller. So if the potential difference V1 is 12 volts, V2 will be 9 volts and V3 will be 3 volts. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So remember, the potential difference is shared between the components in a series circuit, but if the resistance of those components are different, then the potential difference is not equally shared. To calculate total resistance in a series circuit, you add up all of the individual resistors. So in this case, it will be 2 ohms plus 4 ohms plus 2 ohms equals 8 ohms. So the total resistance is 8 ohms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support our channel. Revision worksheets with fully worked solutions are available at scienceworksheets.co.uk.